Across the vast, silent expanse of the cosmos, we've encountered wonders beyond imagination. We've met beings of pure energy, shimmering like nebulae. We've communed with crystalline intelligences, their thoughts echoing in harmonic frequencies. We believed we had seen the full spectrum of life. Then we found them. On the third planet of a forgotten star system, we meat. Yes, thinking, sentient meat. It's a concept that defies our logic. How can something so fragile, so temporary, so organic achieve consciousness? These beings, they call themselves humans, are born, they grow, they decay. They are susceptible to the slightest change in temperature, the smallest tear in their soft exterior. They are walking, talking sacks of water and carbon compounds, destined to rot. And yet, against all odds, these fragile creatures reached for the stars. They built vessels of metal and fire and hurled themselves into the void. We watched them, perplexed. We saw how their strange biology, which we initially dismissed as a weakness, was actually their greatest strength. Think about it. When a crystalline being shatters, it is an end. When an energy form disperses, it is gone forever. But humans, they experience something called pain. It's a brutal, urgent signal, a fire alarm screaming through their system. Will adapt, will perish. Fear isn't a system error for them. It's a catalyst. It forces them to learn, to innovate, to overcome at a speed that is frankly terrifying. Where a logical, silicon-based mind would calculate an unwinnable scenario and shut down, a human, driven by the sheer horror of their own fragility, will improvise. They will fight. They will endure calamities that would wipe out more advanced species. They clawed their way back from the brink, not with cold calculation, but with a desperate, messy, and shockingly effective will to live. Their mortality is the engine of their progress, and perhaps the most profound discovery of all is this. These creatures of meat, born from fear and struggle, developed a unique survival strategy. They call it empathy. They care for one another. They form bonds, build communities, and cooperate in ways that transcend individual survival. We came looking for intelligence in the purity of light and crystal. Instead, we found it in the ephemeral, messy, and unbelievably resilient heart of conscious meat. It seems the most powerful force in the galaxy isn't starfire or gravity, but the desperate, beautiful struggle of life that knows its time is short. Thanks for watching.